Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn your ABCs with me? Let's go together from A all the way to Z. A is for apple, so red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling to your feet. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, bow, wow, wow. E is for elephant, strong and tall. F is for fish, swimming for all. G is for giraffe, reaching high. H is for hat, keep your head dry. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, wibbly and bold. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, king of the tree. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin, sliding on ground. Q is for queen, with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chug-a-chug all night. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music nearby. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, playing with glee. Y is for yak, furry and strong. And Z is for zebra, stripes all along. Great job, friends! You did it! You learned A, B, C, all the way to Z. Yay!